Matthew just brought me McDonald's, so that's cool. It's been well over a week since I got COVID, and I want to say I'm 90% better. I'm still off work, so I'm just utilizing these next few days to learn some After Effects, which hopefully I'll be able to put in this video. And yeah, right now I just went to go get my favorite ice drink of all time, vanilla rooibos chai with almond milk from Remedy. If you live in Edmonton, you'll know what that is. Favorite drink of all time, highly would recommend, and doesn't have any caffeine, so perfect for me because I don't drink caffeinated drinks anymore. Also got this brownie. Yo, this was legit $5, so this better be the best brownie I ever had. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk, so join me on that. So right now I'm just at the Fort Edmonton footbridge. Really beautiful place to be. Although today it's really cold out for April, it's like -3. So there's not really anybody here right now. And it's also kind of like midday. But yeah, I usually come here, usually for running and biking, walking. Today is just walking. My routine is either gonna be like, if I really want to sweat and get a workout, I'll listen to my Pumped Up playlist. But today it's more just getting some fresh air and spending time with God. So right now I'm listening to a podcast called A Feminine Impression by Dr. Michelle Daff. Amazing podcast. If you are a woman, she is amazing. I mean, if you're a dude, you can listen to it too. But yeah, I've just had a lot of peace in my life listening to some of her content, so I'd highly recommend her. And yeah, just follow me on the rest of my walk. Halfway through my walk, and I'm just here at this lookout. I forget the name, but I will put the name somewhere down below. I come here pretty often just to have alone time and have peace. Unfortunately, the neighborhood around this place has put up a lot of barriers to be able to come here, like if you're coming by car. So it is a little more difficult if you're not coming here by like bike or walking. So right now I am at Miss Saigon, which is one of my go-to pho restaurants in Edmonton, and one of my homies, Eugene, works there, so we're gonna go say hi to him. Hey everyone, today it is Saturday. I'm just here with my sister, Kirsten. Say hi.
Hi.
We're just on a walk. Same place I walked a couple days ago. So what do you think about the view?
Really beautiful.
How would you rate this sightseeing spot?
10 out of 10.
Sick. Hey guys, so now we're just at PetSmart. We're getting guinea pig fluff, but we also just want to see the cats. This is Stan Moons. He's an orange tabby. Every time I come to the pet store, I always look at cats.